The union attack simply explained. The union attack is when an attacker uses the union keyword to execute an additional select SQL query, which will then append the results to the original query. The results that are returned in the SQL query are usually as a result of an attacker leveraging on the SQL injection vulnerability to be able to retrieve data from the database tables. For instance, if we can use the shopping application that we used in our previous tutorial on the examples of SQL injection attack, on retrieving hidden data, we can submit an SQL query as shown. https://www.shoppingwebsitelink.com/products. Category = shoes. Union select username, password from users, dash. The above input will cause the shopping website to return all the usernames and all the passwords on the application together with all the names and the descriptions of the products in the shopping application database.